Butte County Public Health is working to put the word out about a change to its COVID-19 dashboard and also about a change in mask mandates. Lisa Almaguer from Butte County Public Health is here to share the very latest. Thanks for being with us today.
Thank you, Linda.
Let's talk about the changes to the dashboard where people can turn for COVID-19 information.
Yeah, absolutely. So as of yesterday, we made some changes. The dashboard will now be updated 2 times a week, every Monday and Thursday by 4 p.m. And, when we first launched the dashboard, much of our county level data was not available on other sites, such as the California Department of Public Health or the CDC. And now quite a bit of this data is available on those sites. We're 2 years into the pandemic. We have a greater understanding of COVID transmission and prevention. And as we move through the pandemic into new phases and we learn how to live with COVID, the need for the daily updates has somewhat diminished.
So yeah, you'll still find the information you need, but it's going to be disseminated in a more realistic way in keeping with all the changes that you just talked about. Another big change people are still talking about today is the state changing its mandated mask requirements, especially for schools.
Yeah, this is true. So as of today, masking in most settings is no longer required, but it is strongly recommended in indoor public places for everyone, regardless of vaccination status. As you mentioned, schools, that's right, K through 12 schools and childcare settings will still need to wear a mask. That includes staff and faculty through March 11th. After that time, it will be a strong recommendation that people in schools still mask, but that will be a choice and a decision that is left to individuals to make. And I just wanted to mention, with these changes, even going back to the dashboard, these changes don't change our commitment to releasing important information to the public if there may be another surge or a variant or anything else that has to do with COVID.
Obviously tracking it all and just trying to, it's important that people pay attention and listen up when public health talks, because this is important, potentially life-saving information. Lisa Almaguer, we want to thank you very much for being with us today.
Thank you so much, Linda.
And we do have a link to this information and more about coronavirus on our website. Just click on the COVID-19 section.